Hi, everyone. Have you ever encountered the challenge of comparing two cells in a logical test, especially when they contain different types of data? While it's straightforward when the data is of the same type, like comparing two numbers, however, it can get tricky when comparing, say, a number like 41 with text like greater than 40. In such cases, we might end up with unexpected results. It is undoubtedly that we can type a formula for the logical test manually. What if the condition might change from time to time? Let me show you a method where we do not have to change the formula even if the condition changes. First, press alternate F11, followed by alternate plus IM. Use the function statement and give it a name, let's say eCell, to evaluate a cell. Define all the variables that we need. For this case, I need two variables, one to record the value, defined as range, and the other for the condition, also defined as range. Then, return the function eCell by evaluating the value and the condition. Let's go back to the spreadsheet to check the result. Start a formula with an equal sign. Call the function eCell. Press Ctrl-Shift-A to see all arguments. Select the cells for value and condition accordingly. Press Enter, and we should obtain the desired result. What if I have more than one value? The function returns a value error. Let's go back to the Visual Basic editor to correct the error. Since I have more than one value, I need an array. Define a dimensionless array, say ARR, as a variant. Next, use a variable, say n, to count the number of values in the selected range. Then, redefine the dimension of the array from 1 to n, also as a variant. We can use a for loop to run through each cell. We need a variable, say cell, in the selected range with the corresponding variable, value. Record the logical value for each test in the array with a variable I. Next, evaluate the test based on the cell value and the condition. Then, update I as a sequential number. Finish one cell, then continue to the next. Note that I did not initialize the variable I as 1, so I must revise the dimension of the array from 0 to n-1. Lastly, return the function using the array. Now, let's go back to the spreadsheet. Press F2 to edit the formula. Without making any changes, simply press on Enter, and we should obtain the logical values. To present these values vertically, let's make use of the worksheet function transpose before sending the array. Press F2 and Enter again, and we should obtain the desired result. The advantage of using this method is when we have a long formula with multiple conditions that might change from time to time. This ensures that we do not have to edit the formula even if the conditions change. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Wishing you a wonderful day, and this is Ah Sing.